In this video I would like to show you tuple and color mode. So what does it mean? It's a part of Turtle graphics, so we will start from the beginning, from Turtle, import Turtle and screen. We will create a turtle like this, and after that we will create a screen like this. Okay, and exit on click. You already saw it so many times. Okay, perfect, everything is great. And now we would like to play with the colors. So at first I would like to create a turtle pen size 5, so it's the thickness of the drawing line, and after that turtle forward, I don't know, 400 for example. So if I will run it, okay, sorry, pen size, and it goes like this. Perfect. But now I would like to change it. I would like to change the color. You can see that the default color is black, so I don't like it. I would like to change it. So how can I do that? So the first thing is that you can create your own color like this, my color, and you would write it like a tuple. So for example, something like this. Okay, so again it's a red, green and blue, and we mixed some new color. I have no idea which color it is, so we will see. And now you would like to change the pen color. So it means the pen color will be my color. Okay, so it means this color. And the problem is, if you run it, you can see there is an error. Okay, so it means, I will run it again. So it means the color wasn't changed. It's still black. Okay, you can see that. So what's the problem? The problem is that here the pen color has to receive the color in a special color mode. So there is no numbers between 0 and 255. There are only decimal numbers between 0 and 1. So it means if you would change it, for example, something like, I don't know, something like this. So it means 3 numbers between 0 and 1. It will be perfect format for a pen color. So this, I will run it, and you can see now it's perfect. So maybe I will change it a little bit, something like this. My color, pen color. Okay, but it's still black, correct? So I forgot, because you need to change the color and after that go forward. Okay, I forgot the order. So now you can see the different color. Perfect. So at first you need to change the color, and after that you have to go forward and use the new color. Okay, so but this is the problem, because we don't want this type of numbers, correct? So it means that you have to change a color mode, but the problem is that the color mode will change on screen. So it means here you will write screen color mode, and the color mode is 255. So it means we can use our numbers like 180, 199 for example. Okay, so now it's perfect. But the problem is that at first you need to change the color mode, and after that you have to use it. So I will take this and put it here. Okay, the main point is that you can't use these colors before. At first you need to change the color mode, and after that you can use these numbers, correct? So at first you need to change it, after that use it. So now it should be okay. So we will see, run it, and you can see this color. Great. Perfect, I like it. So it means we change the color, we use the tuple. Okay, so it means that you can change it these numbers, and you can put there another number. That's exactly what we need, because we only need 3 numbers: red, green, and blue. Okay, so perfect. Now that's all for this video, and we will speak about this code in another video.